The whole game here, you can expose this leg, but don't expose the second leg. Be sure this one is protected. This one protect this leg, and this leg protected by this arm. Okay? Now, you come, you have the grip, right? Look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the thing over here. Now he put this hand on the ground. Grab the belt, okay? When he do, let it go here. Now, this leg inside here. Here, over here. Now I'm gonna put his hand on the ground. Mount the horse here. You see? Go straight for the mount on his back. Okay? I'm over here. I start, come over here. He put the hand on the ground, right away switch. Okay? When you switch, hands on the ground, mount. Okay? Let's do that.